So let's be real. Your choice of code editor says a lot more about you than your horoscope ever will. Forget star signs. vscode, Vim, or IntelliJ reveal the truth. Let's break it down. If you're on vscode, you're basically the golden retriever of developers. Friendly, approachable, tons of extensions. Maybe too many extensions. Half your RAM is gone, but hey, at least your theme matches your keyboard. Vim users, oh boy. You're not coding, you're practicing black magic. You've spent more hours memorizing key combos than writing actual code. Quitting Vim is harder than quitting a cult. Respect, though. You're fast. Maybe too fast. Emacs users, you don't just write code. You write your grocery list, your emails, and probably your last will inside Emacs. You call it an editor, but let's be honest, it's a full-blown operating system. Now, if you're rocking IntelliJ, you're either a hardcore Java dev or you just like flexing. Your editor eats storage like it's a buffet, but you tell everyone it's feature-rich. Deep down, you know you're jealous of VS Code's startup speed. Sublime text users. Yes, the hipsters of programming. You still swear it's faster than VS Code and tell everyone it just feels cleaner. We get it. You were here before it was cool. Atom users? Well, you probably already switched to VS Code. Enough said. And then there's Notepad++. If you're using this in 2025, you're either maintaining ancient legacy code, or you just like living dangerously. Bonus points if your theme is still the default white background. Finally, the default IDE warriors. You install Python? You're on idle. You install Java? Eclipse. You don't customize a thing. Your editor looks like a Windows XP relic, but somehow, you get things done. So what does your editor say about you? Did I roast you, your teammate, or your entire team setup?